Be ready, start. Completing the prerequisites such as sowing for the ensuing crop, the farmers of Maharashtra were waiting for a good rainfall. However, lesser rainfall than usual deprived them of reaping a good yield. To ensure that the producer of food for the entire world does not starve, Chief Minister took an important decision. The decision was provide food grains to the farmers of 14 drought affected districts of the state under National Food Security Scheme. From this Independence Day, all 8 divisions of Aurangabad, 5 divisions of Amravati, and Wardha from Nagpur came under the ambitious scheme with a view to prevent farmer suicides and provide financial assistance to encourage farmers during the calamity. The Chief Minister had made the announcement in legislature on the same. Farmers not included in the scheme but above poverty line in bracket APL bracket out card holders are to be given rice at 3 per kg and wheat at 2 per kg under the scheme. After the announcement, the food grain distribution scheme was launched at the concerned district headquarters by the Guardian Minister. At Taluka level, the launch was done by concerned MLAs. Paragraph. The beneficiaries are provided 5 kg food grains per month per person. With this, 68 lakh farmers from 140 talukas of 14 districts have been brought under the cover of food security. Permission from the cabinet was obtained to provide the benefits of food grains on par with National Food Security Scheme to APL in bracket saffron bracket out ration card holder farmers. According to primary statistics, the number of farmers not included in the National Food Security Scheme was found to be 22 lakh. The required food grains for these farmers to the extent of 11,000 metric tons in bracket 6,600 metric tons wheat and 4,400 metric tons of rice bracket out were made available by the government of India at fair price. During implementation, it came to the notice of officials that the number of beneficiary farmers is actually 68 lakh instead of 22 lakh. The reason being that after 2011, many farmers were included in the list of APL beneficiaries. The fact was brought to the notice of the cabinet and accordingly 23,000 metric tons food grains in bracket 13,800 metric tons wheat and 9,200 metric tons of rice bracket out were made available at fair price. Hence 68 lakh APL farmers from these 14 districts are being given 34,000 metric ton food grains regularly. Paragraph. Taking a personal interest in the scheme that started on August 15, 2015, Chief Minister visited some authorized ration shops. He inspected the list available at ration shops and had a dialogue with the farmers. The government of India provides around 13-14,000 crore worth food grains to Maharashtra. The state has around 2.34 crore ration cards. On an average, each card has 4 to 5 people. It comes out to be around 9 crore people to be benefited from the food security scheme. It has also come to state governments noticed that some of the ration card holders are bogus. When biometric system was implemented on an experimental basis at a fair price shop in some talukas, about 15 to 22% of the ration cards were found to be bogus. Around 10-12% of ration cards in the states are bogus, and controlling the same has always been difficult as there is no computerized system to take note. Paragraph. Therefore, a policy decision was taken by the government on March 11, 2015 to computerize the public distribution system in bracket PDS bracket out totally and distribute ration items at fair price shop on the basis of biometric identity of the beneficiary through Aadhaar. Computerized ration card will be made on the name of the senior most woman of the family, and biometric identity will be verified through use of mobile terminal technology. Stop.